Good day also, welcome back to our channel. So the Volkswagen Sharan is a car that is ideal for both private use, for large families and even for small families, for transportation and also use for project vehicle and even for campaigns. So like the upcoming 2027 election, people are looking for this car to buy. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the specification, the pricing and also the best place to buy this MPV, that is multi-purpose vehicle, at an affordable rate, like the price that you will never get it anywhere else. So let's get started. The Volkswagen Sharan is available in two phases, the first generation and the second generation, with production running from 1995 up till 2023, and the most rampant one in Nigeria is the first generation. A variety of engine options are available on the first generation, including a 1.8-liter inline-4 engine, that is a turbo engine, delivering 148 horsepower, 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, delivering 114 horsepower, 2.8-liter VRS, delivering 172 horsepower, and the 2.8-liter VRS 150 kilowatt engine, that is a delivering 201 horsepower. Then a variety of diesel engine options are available. So Nigeria diesel doesn't sell much, so we will talk about only the petrol engine. Then coming over to the transmission, is available with 3 transmission systems, including a 5-speed manual, 6-speed manual, and a 5-speed triptonic automatic transmission system. Coming over to the exterior of the first generation is very sleek, it's cool, it's very, especially from the 2005 to 6 models of those ones are very sleek. Coming on the inside it accommodates 7 occupants. 2, 3 and 2 at the rear, that is 2 persons at the front, the driver and 1 passenger, 3 persons in the middle and 2 persons at the rear. Talking about the comfort in the cabin is very sleek, it's huge, it has enough space and enough leg room for people to sit comfortably. Another good feature about this car is that it comes with a sliding door, which means that even in tight parking spaces you can enter the car and also exit the car without stress. At the rear of this car, you get a very large storage space, that is the trunk, and this means that it's ideal for even transportation business, because you keep your 6 passengers inside and also still have a space at the rear where you can fit in their bags and drive. Then talking about the safety on this car is top notch. Comes with a variety of features like the airbags, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, although most of these lane assist, the blind spot monitor and parking sensors are available from the 2011 models up. So if you are looking for something more secure, something more safe, you start from the 2011 model, although it's very hard to find because most people do not like to churn out such amount of money for a Volkswagen Sharan. Then let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros include very spacious interior, comfortable for long trips, strong build quality, practical sliding doors, and good for family and business use, even for campaigns. Talking about the cons of it, maintenance can be expensive because you might not be getting, especially if you are using it in Southeast where you might not have access to parts. But if it's places like the North, the parts are there, fuel consumption is not the best, although it's not that high, but and it's not a stylish SUV for families. The design is cool but not that stylish, and spare parts are not very common, especially in places like Southeast. But if it's for the North, don't worry about spare parts, it's everywhere you go. Then let's get down to the pricing. The price of the Volkswagen Sharan in Nigeria in 2026 starts at 6.5 million naira and goes up to 8.5 million naira depending on the model you are picking. If you need this car, please do what to reach out to Alpha Loss Reviews Limited on 081 07 99 2356 for a clean car at an affordable rate. Please, before you go, do like and subscribe because we got so much more videos coming your way. And also, if you want to know more about cheap buses you can buy in Nigeria, I made a video on it. You can check the link in the description or click on the button up here and you will get to that page, because we made a whole lot of videos, especially if you are going into transportation business. You can check that out. And also we talked about minibuses, you can check that out as well. Thank you.